Hi everyone, Tesla has just changed the way the key card unlocks the car and lets you drive, and we're going to look at this right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, nice to have you join us. And what we get to talk about a Tesla, anything new coming out, all about the car, what's going on. And today is something that I didn't know, and I'm sure lots of you don't know. Tesla, in the last update, 24.4, have added the facility. Before, you'd open the key card outside, like this. You'd get in, and with your faithful key card, you'd have to put it behind the console like this. And once you did that, you could drive. What Tesla have done now, in their wisdom, in the last update, is they've added it that it now remembers when you lock it outside the car, it gives you about 3 minutes for you to actually put it into drive and drive away. So we're going to test if that's the case and how long it actually takes before it actually locks you out. So let's run a test on this. Interesting. All right, let's have a look at this. Okay, foot on the brake. Success. You need the key card. So this time I'm going to unlock it, like so. Get in the back. Okay, and this time we're going to leave it 3 minutes. Oh, right. Trying to get over here. Oh. Damn me. Right, see, these are come on. Blimey. Right, okay. Climbed in the seat. Okay, foot on the brake. Success. You need the key card. Let's see. Success. Conclusion. Basically, if you've got your mobile phone connected and that's working fine, you won't be able to test this because it doesn't matter whether you're in an hour, half an hour, it won't allow you to press the key card. The way to test it, if you want to test it yourself, is you switch the mobile phone off Bluetooth, then you come in with a key card, then you've got literally a couple of minutes for you to get in and start the car. If you forget or you don't do it with that time, then you'll just have to tap it on the key card in the old way. That's how it is. Well, I hope that's been useful to you. Don't forget, leave me a notification in the comments. I love it when the seat just decides to go back without me telling it. I know, it's all funny stuff. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to enter the competition, very easy. Just when you subscribe, just put your name in the comments that you subscribed. Your name will be added into the list of many that are taking part. And when we get to draw it, that goes through, and then you could be winning, and I could be talking to you and saying, hey, your prize is on the way. Anyway, until the next time, I look forward to seeing you again soon. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.